Seems like they go in series. Look at this. Oh, God. Yeah, yeah. They're very quick. Got to be 8 knots. It's faster than I can run.